So today's video is regarding shooting Coca-Cola can zero from 10 meters distance, and this is an aluminium can, as you know, and this is the gun I'm going to use. It's a Bullet Mark II and it's an air gun. Spring is quite tight, so we need to put a lot of energy for that, and I'm going to use just a simple lead and tin pellets, so soft pellets, and the distance will be 10 meters, so we can see how accurate is this, if we can hit aluminium can from 10 meters, although it's not a very good gun for shooting a 10-meter distance. So let's see how it works with that. So this is the Coca-Cola zero can, and I'm going to place it just here, so that will be the target. So let's see how many pellets we need to shoot this. So 10 meters distance starts from here, and the target will be straight there at the corner. So here is the can. Let's see what kind of damage has happened. Oh yeah, we can see it has just opened the whole can from here, and the pellet went out from this side. So that's the can here, and that means this gun is powerful enough to shoot at the 10 meters distance. It has a good range for that. The only thing is the accuracy, 1 in 10. So thanks for watching the video.